Hello guys, I'm trying to turn on boot my laptop, but there's a password. This is system password. There's a two kind of password in the BIOS level. One the BIOS password, one the system passwords. If you have system password, it will stop before go to the Windows. So you have to enter your password. So in case you don't know password, don't worry guys. uh, what you have to do in this case, okay, you don't know password, so without password you cannot go to BIOS in the Dell laptop, Dell any desktop. The F2 you have to press before once press the power button, you have to press, then only it will go to the BIOS. But what you have the system password, you cannot go to BIOS. You should know the system password, then you have to enter here, okay, then you can go to BIOS. Okay, so in this case you cannot go to BIOS. Okay guys, so this is one of a system password, and I will show you also BIOS password. Okay, but in my case I know the password. I will enter the password. I will go to, and once I enter I will make F2. Okay, so this is my BIOS. Even here I have password. I cannot edit anything here. I cannot change any settings. All are gray out. Okay, you can see here all are gray out. I cannot do anything because of the BIOS password. You have to enter the BIOS password here. Okay, so BIOS password is different, system password is different, but I will show you how to unlock it. You can see here everything locked. I cannot change anything, any settings. I can only see the informations. Okay guys, so what you do, so if you have system password you cannot reach here. So if you can reach here, then different story. But what if you can reach here, you have a system password, how to unlock? Okay, I will go to again my previous place. Okay guys, we'll exit, it will reboot again. So now I have a system password. Okay guys, now if you highlight this issue, this is how it's solved. Okay, first you should have another laptop, or you can use your mobile phone, no problem. Okay, go to Google, type BIOS PW. Okay, BIOS PW, just type and search. You can see here BIOS PW org. This is the website guys, you can go to this one. Okay, you can see here, enter your code. This is working for 100% for Dell laptops, but maybe it will work for HP. Okay, but for the Dell it works for 100%, any laptop, any, even for the new model, no problem. Okay guys, so this is here it will ask a code. So what is the code? This is a code guys, you can see here. This code you have to type there, same as it is, all are capital, should capital. Okay, without this hash mark. Okay, this hash mark not included. So you have to type this code in that area, in the text box. So C G N Y N X 1, then this one under slash 1D 3B. Okay guys, this is the code I type. You should check, double check, triple check everything, is it same or no. If you type wrong, you will get wrong code, master code. So you should type exactly. And please guys, watch until end of this video, because there's an end. I will you cannot once you get code, you cannot enter and you cannot unlock. You should use small another trick to unlock. Okay, so once you type, press get password. Okay, so you can see down there are Dell HDG serial number, not this one. You can see Dell's from serial number. This is the master code guys. Okay, so make it zoom little bit, you can visible here, because sometimes O looks like 0, 0 looks like O. So you have to be careful when you type. You should type this code as it is, without doing any single mistake. If this is simple, you should type simple. If this is simple, this is capital, capital. So make sure you type exactly. This is 0, not O. Sometimes simple O, capital O, you should careful. If you do mistake, it will not unlock. Okay, there's no harm if you type wrong master code, but it will not unlock. So you should careful the letter O, letter L, letter simple L, simple L, and the I, capital I, those things you have to be careful. You have to type. So I will type here 9 simple N, C, M, 7 capital U, 4 M, 0 F. So you can see here, this is, you have to be careful, this is L or capital I, I'm not sure. So I believe this was, if you have doubt like that, what you can do, you can copy this password, go to Word, okay, you just change the font. You can see if you change the font, this is L, this is capital L, okay, this is capital L. It means here this is simple, okay, this is simple letter, okay. So I change to capital, it become capital L. You can see it's a L capital, okay. So this is simple L. So simple L, A, Z1, J4. Once you enter the password here, same here, okay, press control button, okay, this is the control button, you have to enter, keep press, okay, don't leave it, okay. Then you can see the enter. You should press twice quickly, not press one, just wait 2-3 seconds, again press, not like this, within same time, like this, double tap, okay, double tap. If you did not press this one without pressing this one, you cannot enter double tap, okay. So double tap while pressing control, okay, don't leave it, keep press and double tap like this, not like like that, okay, double tap, okay. So you see it's unlocked, okay guys. You should press double tap. So once unlocked, it will go to the Windows, okay. So let me restart again. I will go to the BIOS. You're supposed to go to BIOS, okay. Maybe when I restart again, I have to enter the password again, because you should go to BIOS and delete the password, okay. I will restart. Let me check. I don't do anything. Let me check if it's coming itself or it's unlocked. Yeah, the password is cleared. When I enter this password, the password is gone. In case if it's asking again, re-enter the password here, okay. Once you entered, it will show verified. Once the screen go black, make sure you press F2, then it will go to BIOS, okay. Let me go again, BIOS. So it's, when you see the DELL logo, press the F2. You can see even my BIOS password is cleared. Before it was unlocked, now it's load default, nothing, now nothing, okay. So you can see here all settings are enabled. I can change, I can delete. So I will put something else. I just want to show you how to disable the clear the BIOS password, same method, okay. I will apply. My BIOS password is 12345, but I will change. I will do with the website, okay. So in this case, I don't have any system password, okay. I have only BIOS password. It means I cannot change the BIOS settings. I will press F2. So you can see here showing unlock. all our settings gray out, disabled, cannot change. So when I press, it will ask enter the password. I don't know the password. So same method what we did before. You enter same code here. Okay, this is a system number. Same thing. You press get password. You get same thing. Same. Okay. You have to enter here. 9NC M7 U4 M0 F LA Z1 J4. Press control. Okay, twice. You can see it's gone, cleared, password cleared, done. Okay, it's gone. So you see here, enter old password not set, old password cleared. Even my system password cleared. So it means if you have system password and BIOS password, admin password mean BIOS password, system password, that is when you turn on it will ask. Both you have, if you have, it will clear everything. Okay guys, this is how you can do. This is 100% work for Dell, but for HP I'm not sure. You can try it. I don't have an HP laptop, so you can try in the HP, maybe it will success. Okay guys, I will put the website in my description area. You can try it. Okay guys, thank you.